ou jet prgnant. Force homme péople, avoiding prgnant si difficu. Foroter, ove, conceving achille camb elusive en frustrating. 8 so many fertility potion en product on te market promising fantastique reçu, it camb are to figure out which is right for you. Sevra le factor can affect fertility, but are something you can do to up your chance of a big fat positive. The basic of getting pregnant. Stop using contraceptive. Some birth control method have allonged adjust period en hauteur, so bavart you might no conceive right away. The timid take for a mon body tube again ready tube comme pregnant after discontinuing contraception varie. Hormonal contraceptive, sucha oral birth control, hormone injection, or tenue varying, might have allongé lag period will your body readjust. If you have implanted contraceptive, sucha en yud, you need to see a health professional to have it removed. If you've rolling on barrier méthode, sucha condom, cervical cap, diaphragme or sponge, you don't need to worry about a readjustment period. T2 et 1 man you'll conceive immediately, tug. Also, take caution to prevent sexually transmitted infection if you've rolling onto the device for protection. Figure out when you're fertile. If you can't imitate, your order de coming pregnant will be much higher. Te rara trick to tracking your ovulation. Going forward from the first day of your last period. On average, most women ovulate 14 days after the first begin to menstruate. De time you should only start trying the week after your period. No exactly. Ce step 3 for more help. If you have a regular cycle, you can often estimate the time of ovulation by dividing your cycle in half. For example, if your period usually lasts 28 days, you will likely ovulate around day 14 of your cycle, 14 days after you begin menstruating. If you have a longer cycle, you may ovulate a lot 20 days after your period began. 1. Donne la date tracking app. If you find it difficult to keep a calendar of your cycle, make an app do it for you. Search ovulation tracker enfin on a work for you. Take your basal body temperature. Your body temperature will rise slightly when you're ovulating, so en uptick a good sign you're fertile. 2. Keep a thermometer by your bed, and take your temperature first thing in the morning when you wake up. Try to do it around same time, jot down your temperature a day. If you notice a spike between 0.5 and degrés Fahrenheit ta last more than a day, you might be ovulating. 1. Fertility is during at 2 to 3 days before your basal temperature rise. 1. So if you can observe a month-to-month pattern in when your temperature rise, you can predict the best time to conceive. Keep track of your cervical mucus. It soon grows, but it work. When your vaginal discharge clearance stretchy, like roeguit, you are most likely fertile and should plan on having sex day for 3 to 5 days from the day you notice the consistency in your discharge. On cette discharge comme Claudie Andrier, you are less likely to conceive. Usant ovulation predictor kit. Just like buying a pregnancy test, you can pick up an ovulation predictor kit from your local drugstore. The cost can add up, tug, so it might be a good way to jumpstart calendar charting by figuring out when you tend to ovulate. Have sex. Once you know you're fertile, get busy. When and often you have sex can influence how quickly you conceive, so try to step. Start having regular sex slightly before ovulation. Tortuting, en egg viable for about 24 hours, but sperm can survive for up to a week in the fallopian tube. To make sure you don't miss your shot, start trying to conceive a day before you think you might ovulate. Keep the sperm supply fresh. OV, just because sperm can last up to a week de et un maintain in tip-top shape bitten. To combat it, and to have sex at least every day while you're fertile. To you can certainly try more often, to. Don't use spermicide, lubricant, or chemical stimuli. Product enhancing pleasure or preventing conception should be avoided during intercourse if you are trying to achieve pregnancy. 3. Enjoy yourself. Orgasming after your partner ejaculate into you can help le sperm into the cervix, which may facilitate the movement of your partner's sperm. Basking afterglow. Don't make the sperm work against gravity. Instead of jetting up immediately afterward, lie back and relax for a few minutes. Studies on efficacy of artificial insemination demonstrated a lying flat for 15 minutes after sex can increase the rate of conception up to 50%. 4. Test for pregnancy. 11th ovulatory period passed, the waiting game begin. Wait until your next expected period, if it doesn't show up, take a pregnancy test en swap. If your impatience or, you can treat the method a little earlier. Keep taking your basal body temperature. If your temperature stays for 14 consecutive days after ovulation, odd argot you conceived. Watch out for implantation symptoms. Some women experience en implantation bleeding, which usually turn up as slight spotting at zygote attached to uterine wall. It usually happens 6 to 12 days after conception. You might also experience light cramping. When to a specialist. 7 Timoline. Patience is difficult when you're trying to conceive, but try to give it time. Setting a deadline for seeing a doctor can help your anxiety and get you ready for the next phase of getting pregnant. Or when you should seek help. 17. Healthy couple under the age of 35 engaging in regular, twice weekly, intercourse should be able to conceive within 12 months, plus time for readjusting after discontinuing birth control. If you're over 35, sa doctor after 6 months of trying. Women over the age of 35 ans women WHO are perimenopausal may experience difficulty in getting pregnant due to the natural decline in fertility that occur au ménage. In most cases, pregnancy can still be achieved but may take longer and require more targeted d'intercourse and lifestyle change. Sa fertility specialist right away in a special case. If you have endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, prior cancer treatment, endometriosis, a history of miscarriage or you're over 40, make an appointment with a reproductive specialist as soon as you want to conceive. Get tested for common fertility problem. Everything from illness and stress to excessive exercise and medication can decrease fertility. Certaines médications can prevent or complicate conception. Provide your health practitioner with a complete list of medication, herb, supplement, and specialty drink or food you are eating so that can evaluate your list for potential fertility block. Get checked for sexually transmitted infection. Some infection can decrease your ability to conceive, while others can cause permanent infertility if left untreated. Have a gynecological examination. In some cases, women may have a removable tissue barrier preventing sperm from reaching the egg, or may have a physical condition that affect the menstrual cycle, such as polycystic ovary syndrome. 18. In general, a good idea to have a regular gynecological exam once a year to make sure that you're healthy. Consider in-depth fertility testing. If both you and your partner have been given a clean bill of general health by a physician, consider sperm testing and medical monitoring of your fertility. Men should have a semen analysis to check the quality and number of sperm emitted during ejaculation. Additional male fertility test include a blood test to check for hormone level and ultrasound to monitor ejaculation process or sperm duct obstruction. 19. Fertility test for women often include hormone test to check for thyroid, pituitary, and haute hormone level during ovulation and haute time during menstrual cycle. Hysterosalpingography, laparoscopy, and pelvic ultrasound are more involved procedure that can be used to evaluate the uterus, endometrial lining, and fallopian tube for scarring, blockage, or disease. Ovarian reserve testing en genetic test for inherited infertility problem quand also be performed. Type. If you are postmenopausal, you have stopped menstruating completely, or if you have had a surgery to remove your ovary or tie your fallopian tube, you will be unable to get pregnant. Don't give stress to your partner if nothing seems to be working. Some team is just take team. A manquant vir brief with to the cring sperm coin. OV, hot bat, whirlpool, tight athletic clothing, extensive bicycling, en extended placement of a laptop into pelvic region mardus amant sperm coin, 28. Obesity in IT partner quand de the chance of conception. Be first achieving a healthy vet, you may conceive more resilient have a healthy pregnancy, 29, 30. Warning. Trying too hard to get pregnant, especially be strictly following a schedule, can cause stress and reduce physical and emotional intimacy between you and your partner. Becoming a parent is a big decision which should not be taken lightly. Make sure you and your partner are mentally ready to have a baby. Make sure that you and your partner are disease and infection free before stopping any barrier method of birth control. Make sure you're ready to have a baby. Talk to your parents and your